Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all a flat twist pinup style that is going to make your work week stress free. Of course, I am starting out on blown out hair. Blown out hair allows me to see my parts a little bit better and to get things as nice and neat and crisp as possible. If you have a family member with you that can part your hair really well, go ahead and solicit them for a little bit of help. But if you struggle sometimes like me, just go up to your bathroom mirror with some additional mirrors and just check everything out in the bathroom. For some reason, I can clean up my parts a little bit better when I stand up and have about 3 mirrors I'm working with. The first flat twist is going to be going down the side of my face, and then it will end at the nape of my neck. So right here, I am creating that first part. For me, when it comes to these flat twist hairstyles, I like to go for about medium sections. I like for them to swell enough to look juicy, but I also like for them to be small enough to still appear that the twist is actually really nice and tight. I am using this jam to go around the perimeter of each section, and this is just to smooth the hair in the same direction and to make the flat twist look a little bit more neat. And then I like to smooth it in with this rat tail comb. After detangling the hair, you're going to want to go in flat twisting. I like to start off by picking up very small sections of hair, and this kind of creates the illusion that the flat twist is starting off really small, and then it will gradually get bigger as you go to the end of this entire section. I do have quite a few flat twist tutorials on my channel that are YouTube shorts. I'll make sure I tag the one for this type of flat twist in the cards right now. But yes, you want to make sure that you are twisting as tight as possible, because flat twists will always loosen up from my experience, and they will get kind of poofy at the roots. So imagine this flat twist right now actually looks very tiny, but by the time we are done with the pinup style, it would have swelled a little bit to give that gradual small to large look in the end. And once I am done, I like to use my clips to kind of clip the ends just to make sure it doesn't unravel too much, and to just kind of keep the length, because we need the length at the end of the flat twist for the pinup style in the end. And we are going to repeat those steps with adding some jam to the perimeter of each section. As you all can see that at the nape, I am not going straight back with my parts. I am actually going for more of a curve. So that means that technically, once we get to the center of my head, the flat twist will actually not reach the nape of my neck. It would actually stop a little bit higher up. And that is for the purpose of this style, with how I envisioned I wanted the pinup to look in the back. But again, we are going to continue to twist tightly, making sure that we are starting off with smaller sections when we pick up hair, and then we'll gradually pick up more hair as we get to the end of the twist. And here is this 4 flat twist on this side that is going to be in the center of my head. This flat twist will not reach the nape of my neck. However, I am doing the same process with basing the section with jam, starting off with smaller sections as I flat twist and gradually getting larger as I get to the end of this section. And as you all can see here, you can see how every single twist kind of stops a little bit further up than the previous one. And that is for the purpose of the pinup style that I had in mind. And one half is done, and we are going to move on to the other side of my head. And as you all can see here, I am going to repeat that same process of the direction of the flat twist, but also the same method, as each flat twist will not reach the nape of the neck except for the first one, and that is kind of creating that same shape that I was looking for to create the pinup style. One thing that I like about this flat twist hairstyle is that after you blow out your hair, which literally takes me sometimes about 15 to 20 minutes with the method that I use, doing this hairstyle, making sure the parts are straight, can actually take less than an hour. An hour if you're having trouble like I do sometimes with parting the hair, but other than that, this is a very quick hairstyle to do, and you don't really have to worry about having wet hair. To pin this hairstyle up, I'm grabbing those two middle sections together, and I'm taking one twist from one side, wrapping it around and bringing it back to the other side. And then I am going to do that with the other twist on the right side. So I'm picking the next one up, wrapping it completely around the twist that I have in the middle, and bringing it back to the other side. Now I'm going to repeat that process, and every time you wrap a twist around, you basically add it to that middle section, and then you move on to the next twist. And once you grab that last twist and wrap it around, you are going to twist, well, roll twist. So basically not two strand twists, but you're going to roll these twists just like that, and you're going to tuck it under, and this actually kind of creates a little bun. If you have longer hair, of course you'll have to twist a little bit longer. If you have shorter hair, you won't have to twist as long, and then you're going to secure it with some bobby pins or hairpins. And when you are securing your hair with these hairpins, try to hide the pins, so don't try to pin them in a way that people can see, just like this, because you kind of want it to look seamless and effortlessly. And now I am going to, of course, do my edges just to make this hairstyle look a little bit more sleek and definitely put together. And I will go on top with some hair mousse, and I will sit up under the dryer for about 15 minutes just to seal everything in place. I decided to go in with a little bit of holding spray as well as a shine spray, just to give everything a shine but also a nice hold as well. And after about 15 to 20 minutes, here is what my hair is looking like. I am totally in love with these flat twist hairstyles because they last all week, and in the morning I have absolutely nothing to do but to just spritz my hair with a little bit of oil, and I am out the door. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!